Hello everyone, today I will show you some AI plugins for Rhino. Let's begin. The first one is called Veras. This you can download from the Chaos website or the Evolve Lab website. If it's a free version, you can run some tryouts for free, or you can also get the student's license, which is quite affordable. For showing you Veras, I have prepared a file of existing building I modeled in detail a while ago. Just type Veras in the command line and it will open. As you see here, the user interface is very friendly and very simple. Here you have the viewer window, which is the same as your viewport from Rhino. And here is where the magic will happen. On the top menu, if you go to explore, you are able to see on the right side panel predefined presets for all kinds of visualization styles. If you stay longer in each, you can also get to see the full description. And in the bottom, you can change the width and the height. Here I tried some renderings with different presets and formats, and as you see, the results are quite okay, but not yet perfect, especially in some areas once you zoom in. In Compose, you can begin with a preset and add some other characteristics, like if it's an interior or an aerial view with nature or atmospherics and so on. Here you can also choose the source image, and most important, you find also here the prompt window. In this text field is where you specify textually what are you looking for. And you can even get assisted from other AI systems like ChatGPT to get these prompts. Just open ChatGPT and ask for a prompt for rendering architectural visualizations. Then copy and paste this text into the prompt text field from Veras. Now, if you change the version to this other one, you can also specify how much the geometry or the materials will be overridden, and even how much weight will this prompt have in the overall picture. And by changing the seed, you can also get different results, different variations, using the same parameters you already enter. In edit mode, you will find the draw shape tool. With this, you can draw areas and reload the process. Here, I will change the seed to get a different result, and also I will write a green facade in the prompt, or maybe get it from ChatGPT. Now we have a different result, but only of this area, and we can adjust the blending here. I know this is not yet an accurate way of selecting, but for sure Veras will do more progress on this soon. Now in video you can create short animations of your renderings, and again there are some predefined presets you can use. Let's try it from summer to winter and get again a prompt from ChatGPT. And after waiting a bit, we get the results. You see, it's still not that bad for the amount of effort put in, but I'm pretty sure Veras will extend this functionality, and I'm also looking forward to it. The last tab is the gallery, where you get to see all the images you rendered before, and also from here you can download them. Now I'm gonna run some other views. Let's try it from top, an aerial view, and also let's see a pedestrian view from the courtyard. And we have these really nice renderings. That's it for Veras. Now let's see Rhino Banana. You can install it from the package manager, and once you have it, open it by typing Rhino Banana in the command line. Then a window will open for you to select a folder where to save your images. After that, the main window will open, and also here you will find a very friendly user interface. Here you will see below render the info tabs for selecting the views, writing the prompt, selecting the mode, resolution, ratio, and so on. If you get the free version, you have some credits for free that you could use. I will change the resolution to very low so I can run a few tests. And the ratio, I will keep it 16:9, one of my favorites. Now I go to prompt and I write what I want to get, or I can generate it with other AI like ChatGPT. Then I go back and press render and wait a bit, and as you can see, the results are not yet realistic enough, but I can keep adjusting the parameters so it gets better. Now let's see at this other view, and if you don't get the result you were expecting, here a trick for you. You can take this JPEG to ChatGPT and optimize it. Just write in the prompt, optimize the rendering or whatever, and wait a bit, and at the end it looks like this. Much better. Let's go back to one of the renderings from Veras, because there's one more thing I want to show you. Once you have saved your file as JPEG, open it in Photoshop, then go to Filter, then click on Neural Filters. And on the right side you will see a new window with cool filters for fixing images. Here go to Super Zoom and let it process. the image will be enlarged with a better resolution. I know it takes a few more seconds, but it actually makes a difference. Here you see with a filter, and here without a filter. You see? Now let's do it again with this other image. But now I'm going to enhance the details so it keeps more information when processing. And it looks like this. Not that bad actually, huh? As you see, thanks to AI, architectural visualization has changed a lot in a very short time. Now, to make beautiful photorealistic renderings is super easy and less time consuming. Nevertheless, these are just tools that need to be controlled in order to get the most out of them and to achieve the results that you want. So dive into it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, be kind to like it, share it, and subscribe if you wanna see more. Take care. Ciao ciao.